Hey y'all, the good folks over at Siptenk sent me these brass compression fittings to check out, take a look at, and then I'll use them when I need them. Right now I don't need any, but we do want to go over the sizes that we get here, and I've got my glasses over here. We're going to look for any burrs and see if there's any flaws in these fittings, and I'll give you my thoughts on them when we get through. Come a little closer and check them out with me. Okay, it looks like we have 5 pieces of the 1/2 inch, 15 pieces of 3/8, 20 pieces of 5/16, 25 pieces of the 1/4 inch, 24 pieces of the 3/16. 1/2 inch we have 5 pieces, 3/8 we have 15 pieces, 5/16 20 pieces, 1/4 inch 25 pieces, and 3/16 25 pieces. So pretty good amount of fittings there. So let's get them opened up and see what they look like. Come in a nice little package here. Doesn't seem like it fall open very easily. Let's look at these compression fittings. Get the glasses on so we can see those edges real good. Sometimes you can feel burrs and stuff around them edges. Now these are really, honestly, they are useless until you need them. And when you need them, you need them. There's no replacement for them. Those feel pretty smooth. I don't feel any burrs or anything on those. I don't see any. Let's check out the small ones. I don't believe there is anything that would not make them pass a quality check there. Not in my opinion. Let's check these fittings out here. Seems smooth. Flanges look good on them. Really on all of them. They really look good. Tell you what, this is a pretty complete set. I don't believe most of us will be needing anything outside of this range. If you're working on air lines, fuel lines, whatever you're working on, you got some fittings right here that is going to help you get the problem fixed. 180 pieces, 10 different sizes, 5 and 5. The craftsmanship on them is pretty good. No complaints whatsoever on that. I'm going to take a look at the size. You can see the sizes right there. I know we read over them, but there they are for you to see. Thumbs up. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.